cravings, sugar, quick carbohydrate treats, salty, sugary snacks, can make you feel really out of control. They are, however, a message or messages to you about what else might be going on for you. So today I want to leave you with a few top reasons why you might be suffering from cravings, and then some strategies for what to do about it. One of the top reasons why we all suffer cravings is that we grew up eating sugary fast foods and we're used to it. Our body is used to it, our gut is used to it, and we just haven't kicked the habit. Another is that we are tired. We haven't gotten enough sleep. Most of us don't sleep 7 hours, let alone 8. So sleep's a big one. Another one is blood sugar imbalance. Not having a blood sugar balance makes us feel really tired, and our brain and our body want energy fast. Gut dysbiosis, and that's when your gut bugs are requesting the sugar that feeds that population of gut bug. So again, if we've grown up eating a lot of those foods, then we likely have a population of gut bugs that does demand and put demands on our food cravings. Another could be nutrient deficiencies. For an example, magnesium. If you are lacking in magnesium, then chocolate is a very common craving. And so many of us women are in fact low in magnesium. And then emotional stress, and that can show up in the form of anxiety or anger or sadness or frustration or boredom. And when we feel that way, we might be using food to, in fact, fill the void of what else might be going on. So what to do about it? Number one is to start to really pay attention to how you are feeling and what you can observe about this moment when you're experiencing a craving before you reach for the freezer, for the Haagen-Dazs or for the cookies or for the chips, right? Take a moment and take some deep breaths and notice what's going on in your body. Emotional stress, anxiety, frustration, boredom, and then start to shift your reaction time. Could you have a substitute snack in place, which is what I always advise my clients, to have a list of snack substitutions or snack attacks that can satisfy you, even if it means a nice 2-ounce bit of dark chocolate, right? Because dark chocolate, if it's 72% or higher, can be satisfying that sweet tooth and also giving you antioxidants. There's benefits to chocolate too. I recommend adding it with nuts or almond butter if you can eat almonds, or some kind of a protein to help you anchor that snack, which brings me to blood sugar balance. See if you can have meals and snacks that always include a nice amount of protein. So you want to anchor your meal and your snack with protein in order to keep that nice energy and blood sugar balance. If we're just eating, for example, even just grapes, okay? Say you're eating grapes, you're eating fresh whole foods, but you're eating just grapes. Well, grapes are very high in sugar, and grapes are going to send your blood sugar up here. There is some fiber in grapes, but not that much, and it's a lot of sugar. So grapes by themselves are going to bring you here, and then they're going to drop down pretty quickly, whereas a candy bar is going to go, right? Grapes a little better than that, but if we can mix in some cashews or some almonds or organic turkey or some other form of protein with that snack, that will help you to balance your blood sugar and keep yourself away from those drops where you want to reach for the whatever, fill in the blank. Next is nutrients. So taking a multivitamin is a nice insurance to help you fill in the gaps where you might be missing some vitamin or nutrient in your diet. Even if you're eating a whole foods diet, the nutrient density of foods today versus generations ago are not what they once were. We just don't have the same amount of vitamin and nutrient in our food. So having a multivitamin is going to help you fill in the gaps. Lastly, practice stress reduction. Calling a friend, taking a walk, breathing in and out slowly for a period of 3 minutes twice a day, taking a hot bath with Epsom salts and essential oils, or even just having a tea and reading a few pages of your favorite book. Something that makes you feel cared for from yourself to yourself. And it's really going to go a long way in terms of helping you to keto that moment before you have to reach for that thing. Reach out to me if you need support. It's what I do, and I'll see you next time.